Close sources within Kotoko indicate that the club is seriously considering terminating the contract of Vinicius Mbappe, Fernando Wisdom Bassey, due to concerns over his lifestyle and attitude. Hey, I didn't lifestyle and attitude.
The player no injury. Na nkoma yate no close sources say and she share doctors and the man is nkundi so said be an recovery no.
So lo kasa na me
ne recovery ne be tentem.
Oh na.
On this an she share ne so. Na obo abrabo bi e obo abrabo bi a ensem fata players obebo. With regards to ni injury awenya omo hesen ko be recover no asabisi akan. And the technical team and the management
are not happy with player no.
Okay. Emma eno akra no common close sources say confrontations kitinkiti because of training grounds.
Omo managing a team
with the coach.
For the contract.
They have to manage him. Omo head almost so baby.
So to play or the groin injury to feel close to be 3 months.
So I advise near the end of one. And Colaboni the ball no mu. Unyo munyina makoda ma sorry o bi no mo ye stubborn. Manage no. Na munye ni na muntu no fo. Na oba no mu ni tiri ni ade odi ba na mo say nti o ye de. Omunye ne kakra na obeboa. Say tie yi.
No the injury
baba mu izamu se ebre pa so ye omu sa.
Terminating Fernando Bassey's the Nigerian international's contract. Enti tama onie obana say the talent of Neymar, Vinicius and Mbappe. Enti tama no more friend Neymar Vinicius na din eto ne so afedie today Kotoko circus na omo say omo friend de intoxicate Bassey tama omo say otwa bi sa omo kan wontie enti no ama akodu point omo pese omo terminate the contract no kra.
Managing players is a function of teams empanyinvo.
But tama team penifo isu no omo so omo kan wontie. As a coach no dey can report on my missing penifo no say medical team no say the enti an ho ntono no. Ne lifestyle no emmoama ne ho ntono. Eno mbo coach ama ne coach su report man penifo. Ye na kasa masa. Wanya ntwa bi ndia wo yare na nko.
Sad story say am any new.
Sir.
It makes
termination of the contract.
It makes him look bad.
But omo ko omo di wo ko omo di ha.
Ba we mo nye. En go for managing go for baby o. Bad boys be bobo baby a. Omo bo
omo wi omo ko twom shisha ne ya ne hu ko ba ne ade
managing yen. We say what you say no man ko tena coach fie o.
No the coach na ko ba.
The one dey go tena coach fie. We go training ba ne abesi fie. We are near the go training.
Now is unya the best out of no free song now what me.
Now sometimes you cancel them.
I think
now money who say look, who potential now no. Nye better than you. A weapon Nigerian player bia. We say a bit my say I'm managing it.
Tama de kika ko their whole contract.
They should be able to manage him. Anyway,
who's to has na Kotoko akọ eye wanchi as at now so too on say ade bi esero Euro 2025 yet mbo Ghana Premier League enye Division 1 o Premier League na boy enye bi nhwe ase ya fa no normal and then community gala promote on Facebook community gala see am so too am out for organizing on be chiro Facebook page a okwa matches ni nyina on be twa to onye so mu highlight to live interquay arms to a course they had a media team come to sponsorship the same am to call to the extent say intercompo no any season now mo baby I will Facebook live to a gina so dedicated internet to stadium cast stadium just to get it to the people tie Samates any Kotoko. Yenya news of solid performance from key players within. Sa video ni nyina kwa kwasi egu ye. Otina matches ne baso so to asatene. Ye nim stations a ebeyi has any bechem. To the whole season bechem concede go homo. That should tell you how solid they are playing. House of Folk is one of the best away teams in the league. Top 4 teams are to omo modern away house kan. Kotoko ko wanchi. Yentimi ahihye hu se da bi. Yema we mbo yawada. Na we mbo memene embo ukuada. Yentimi afasa ade ni nyina amba. O de yate ase. Afe kwan so a yebo ni mienu abom. Obi pese ohwe ha awahye. Obi pese ohwe ha awahye no. Enu so obi ni ho.
Zagido.
Yebo division 5 and assassin.
Premier division.
And I counted heroes man.
They mu dey.
Division 2. As you go into division 2 oh. Sorry, zone 2.
Adinja.
That be Bamo.
Ade bi kwan.
There's a team that is playing division zone 2 all qualify ya to dia kwa Obuase.
Division 2.
And you league table na 45-44 this year. Who zone this year zone 2 45-44. One all blast or no. All blast the first.
I said division 1 now okay.
I just want to make it. Oh sorry. Division 1 zone 2. And he Rose Park 44. And if anything.
All black.
All blast all 45.
Go first start say
and he na
chairman two question.
Na amount na amount
chairman was on.
Amount na amount say
Zakido chairman.
Amount na amount say esu from Obuase as good side no. On the part of especially Rose Park na Maka Rose Park.
Na so ka 45 obi ehun dada.
Amount na amount say esi esu a force say die chire no. Mtoto anu ehye papa ama and I'm pressure to if anything for because so far nanka all blast for the
okay
the resources are more no nanka be need to challenge them
and division 1 for zone 2 for all blast they are playing very well
they are playing very well and the Rose Park is a good team and I mean almost a weekend here almost all blast 2-1 Rose Park for no
okay
almost all blast for 2-1
I'm say clear obi so asem so Rose Park is as good
oh man that be I don't know we
engojibu
scanning something dollars would I mean
Benada March Bosume they to sudu motwe
18th March
e ba cho same boade mame we dey 1 minute pe na mzo to ynyina yenti asem no na se na se ynyina
wi ana ba sa
ynyina ne nka ne yenti asem